How to use WhatsApp on your Android phone or tablet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will simply show you how you can use the WhatsApp application. I will show you some of the basics, how you can sign up, as well as all of the process. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, I assume that you've already downloaded the WhatsApp app. I obviously do not have to show you. You can simply download the WhatsApp application from your Google Play Store, or if you're an iPhone user, you could simply download it from your App Store. Once you've done that, you would need a number to use WhatsApp. If you don't have a phone number, you will not be able to use the WhatsApp application. So simply be aware of that. Once you've also had the number, sign up on WhatsApp, verify the code, and you will be logged into your account. Now you can see some of the chats. If you have a new account and you want to chat with someone, you have to tap on this chat icon at the bottom right corner, and you'll be able to see a list of all of these people and contacts on the list. And you could simply go ahead and send a message to anybody over here. You can see their last seen status if they have turned it on. You can also see their online status if they are currently online. To place a call, you have to tap on this little call icon on the top right corner. You can also see that video call icon, which you can use to actually FaceTime someone. The other thing which you could also do is, if I come back, and you can also upload status just like it works as a stories on Instagram and on Snapchat, as you see, which is on the Facebook and which is on the Messenger apps and so on. This basically works as stories, and you also have your call history and so on. If I go ahead and show you some of the basic things of the WhatsApp app, if I go to settings, and over here you can see your account, your privacy, your security, if you want to turn on two-factor authentication. If you want to change your phone number, this is the way to do it over here. You can request the account info. Finally, if you've decided to delete your account, you could tap on this delete button. Or you could basically and simply come back and you could go to chats. You could customize your themes, your wallpapers, your sends button, your chat backup if you want to back up your chats and restore them on a new device. Keep in mind that you need to have a Google account to back up your chats for Android users, and you need to have an iCloud account to which you can sync your backup to. So we're going to come back, and if you want, you could change the app language basically to English, Africans, and there are a bunch of others which you can choose from. I personally like to keep it in English. Now, if you want some of the help, then you can tap on the help section, or else you could simply invite a friend. If they don't have WhatsApp, you could go ahead and basically invite everybody on this list. But if you want to turn on and off notifications, this is the way to go about it, and this is simply it. This is how you can basically use the WhatsApp application on your Android smartphone or your tablet. We hope we covered as much basics as possible. If you have any more questions, then make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.